Hi students, I hope all are fine. Yes, in this class I am going to tell you basic English grammar. So you know that basic start from alphabets. Okay, in English the basic start from what? Alphabets. How many alphabets are there? Already you learned that. So totally 26 alphabets are there. Big letters are there, small letters are there. Okay, total 26 letters. So who don't have good handwriting, those people have to practice in 4 lines. That is better to them. So when you practice daily one basic copywriting in 4 lines, so your handwriting is improved. The handwriting is improved when you practice the handwriting in 4 lines. So you know very well alphabets, capital letters and small letters how to write. Okay, totally 26 letters are there. Compared to Kannada, is very less number, is it? So let's see how to write. How to write cooperating or letters in 4 lines. Just I will give one example. It's like 4 lines are there. If you want to write the capital letter, you have to write this line. It means 3 lines you have to touch. Okay, upper line, middle line, and so that one line. Capital letter, this like you have to write. Small letter. So don't write this like. If you write that like, that is a wrong. So small letter, how do you write? A. Okay. Next B. You have to write B. C. Capital letter. Small letter, how do you write? C. So D. So D. Okay. E. E. This like you have to write alphabets either capital letter or small letters in 4 lines. This like you have to practice. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ does it understand so alphabets are 26 in 26 alphabets totally how many vowels and consonants we make two sections vowels and consonants vowels and consonants. What are the vowels and what are the consonants? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See that? These are 26 letters. In 26 letters, you divided as a consonant letter and vowel. Vowel and consonant that like we are divided in alphabet. So how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. So it means vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. those are vowels. So in 26 less 5, remaining how many letters are there? 21 letters. So 21 letters we consider as consonant. Okay, consonants. What are the consonants? Just write B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. See that. Vowels 5, consonants 21. Total alphabets are S. Total alphabets are 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Finish. All alphabets are finished. 5 vowels, another 21 as we call consonant. Okay. So, months and weeks. First, you have to know weeks. How many weeks in a week? How many days? How many days in a week? Yes, 7. What are the 7 days in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are 7 days. So, which spelling you have to practice all 7 days? If we will ask you what is the spelling of Sunday, you ready to tell the spelling of Sunday. If we will ask what is the spelling of Saturday, you are ready to tell a Saturday spelling. So total 7 days. Okay. So then that you should write a months. Total how many months are there? 12 months. Total how many months are there? 12 months. See that. Weeks are 7 days. Months are 12 months. Total 12 months. Let's see what are the 12 months. First, January, okay, February, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, okay, September, October, and November, and last one is December. Last one is December. Total, these are months. So you know that in January how many days will come? How many days come? March how many days are 30, 31? How many days will come? Let's see. In January 31 days. How many days will come? Yes, 31. February 28 or 29. 28 or 29. March 28. Okay, sorry. March 31. Okay. Then deadline April 30. May 31. June 30. Yes, 31. August 31. September 30. Year 31. Then November 30. Then 31 days. Yes, here in January 31 days, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, at like December 31. Okay, weeks and months. So some names you have to practice. For example, flowers, birds, animals, animals, jobs, things, okay, places. This like you have to write some names. Okay. For example, flower. You have to write jasmine. What is the spelling of jasmine? Jasmine. Jasmine. So, vegetables, birds. Birds, I name for bird. Dove. Okay, animal. Any animal name you have to write. For example, tiger. I am writing tiger. Then job. Teacher, it is also one job. That like a driver, engineer, doctor. So many jobs are there. That like you have to practice some jobs name. Things. Okay, chalk, chair, that like duster. That like you have to practice things. Places. For example, Nidumundi, Bijapur or Vijayapura. See that. Places you have to practice. Then vegetables, carrot, chili, brinjal. Okay, this like you have to practice some names. Even parts body. Parts body means nose, tongue, leg. This like you have to write the parts of body. Okay. So these things you have to practice. Flowers, birds, animals, jobs, things, places, vegetables, parts of body, okay, body in a sheep, okay, goat, and whatever. Totally, that is a animal name you have to write. Is it understand? Okay. Now Now you wrote down the homework. What you have to write? Write alphabets, capital and small. Okay. Then vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants you have to write one time. So third one, 25 names. 25 names you have to write, include all. Like how flowers name, vegetables names. That like how we told that like you have to write 25 names. Parts of body, vegetables, whatever you take. Even you have to write weeks and months. Weeks and months also you have to write compulsory. Okay. Is it understand what you want to do? First alphabets you have to write capital letters and small letters. Then vowels and consonants you have to write. Then 25 names. It will all the names you have to write. Then weeks and months you have to write. Okay. Here one time, one time, one time. Here one time. Yes. Each homework you have to write one time. Is it understand? Okay. I will continue in the next class.